With the Foligain Triple Action Trioxidil system, having healthy-looking, fuller-looking hair is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Start by getting a deep clean with Foligain Triple Action Shampoo. Massage into wet hair and scalp for 1 to 2 minutes. Allow the product to sit for another 3 to 4 minutes so that the active ingredients have time to work. Rinse your hair thoroughly. Step 2. After shampooing, massage a small amount of nourishing Foligain Triple Action Conditioner to wet hair and scalp for 60 seconds. Rinse thoroughly. Step 3. Towel dry hair, leaving it damp. Apply 4 sprays of Foligain Trioxidil's Triple Action Topical Treatment to your scalp, directly to the areas of thinning. Massage the treatment into the scalp with your fingertips for several minutes. Leave the treatment on for at least 4 hours, but it's also okay to leave it on indefinitely. That's it! We recommend repeating this 3-step regimen 3 to 5 times per week, while using the treatment on its own daily. Remember, each product in the system can also be used independently as needed to achieve your unique hair care goals.